Hi there, so I am back. This is an amazing piece of technology that is called the Mavic Air 2 by DJI, and this is the Fly More combo. That is where we get an additional extra battery packs, propellers, and ND filters, and much more. So let's just unbox it. Let's see what we get in it. Oh, this is heavy. This is actually really heavy. Whoa, whoa, oh wow. Interesting packaging. Looks good in a way. Okay, let me keep this box aside. What do I get here? I get this case. Yikes. Wow. This is one of the best material that I've felt, it gives a premium feel. Look at the pattern. Wow. This is good. Good work, DJI. Really good work. Let's keep this aside. Wow. What do we have here? This is some kind of a packaging. I think so there's some documentation and the propellers, I guess. Yep. How to open this? Here? Oh, from topwards. Never mind. So they are here. These are the beautiful. So this is, I'll keep it in this. What more thing did I get? Wow. And I got two more stuff. Okay. Then what else? I got the start guide, which I'm not going to actually read it because this is how I am. And at this end, I'm sure there is something. Yeah. And nope, it was a, never mind, nothing is in this. It's all good. Packaging is not bad though. I love the material inside. Let's keep this aside. And let's talk about the packaging. The beautiful is in this. I can't believe it. Let's open and see what we get. Oh, beauty. Okay, you got this beautiful over here. Now, slowly. Here is the, the one. This is the guard. So this is useful before you even check this before you move ahead. This is the, okay, for the pins and all. Okay, not bad. Good material they have here. Good ones. So it will not get spoiled. Wonderful. Battery. Okay, not bad. I'll keep this one over here side. Let's see what else we get here. We get this is the batteries. That is one. We get two batteries. And this is the adapter. Oh, you call it the power brick. And this is rated at 100 to 240 volts. Okay, 1.3 amps. Okay, not bad. It's good for a drone actually. And this is the cable, as you can see over here. I plug it in this. And where is the charger? I want to go and search for that. Oh yeah, wait, it's over here I guess. Nope, what is this? Yep, this is the dock. This is how it's placed. This is the end, and this has to be put, where is that end of this? This way, and all good. as you can see. See, it's beautiful. And you can put your batteries in this place. For example, I want to charge this battery. Wait, how do you charge this thing? Okay, but I also don't know how to charge this, but look. And it's charging. It's actually charging, but it is docked in its place because of the cut. So these two are going to go there. You go. This is how it is. And what else do I have more? I have this. This is the controller. I love the open grill over here that they have. It's actually really good. Perfect. I'm really enjoying this. Oops, oh, it's here. There's an extra two of theirs. Oh, okay, the cable connection is there. Okay, good. This is the oops, my bad. Perfect. Okay, it has a good place to rest. Oh wow, it's on. Okay, I need to charge. Oh, it has type C also, so that's another good thing. And the cable should be here in this somewhere. Here you are. And iPhone connection is there, so oh, it's a type C to iPhone. Okay, so type C to XYZ devices. Not bad. Impressive, really impressive. So till then, I can charge my device with, with my normal type C. Because this has to be full 100% because I cannot risk this and letting the drone go anyway out of my radar. So yeah, guys, by the look, that is all. Yeah. Apart from anything else, this actually really looks good. And to remove this also, you need to charge to activate this battery before you use for the first time. So before that, let me remove all the stickers. Because I don't prefer stickers at all. And there are tags and all, but I will remove that later. This is the main half inch sensor with a 48 megapixel camera and a field of view of 84 degrees, and this is f2.8. It's okay for this kind of form factor though. Till then, take care. Don't forget to subscribe to the channels to see more cool upcoming videos that is on its way. It's on its way, but I think it's taking time to be shipped to me. So till then, take care, stay safe, and good day.